Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set a request to follow or how to set requests to follow on the Strava application. So first of all, all you need to do just go and download the Strava application if you don't have it already on your phone. Of course, if you have it, that will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, you'll have to actually go and open the application. And if it's your first time, they'll actually ask you to log in into your account. Of course, if you have an account, that will be great. But if you don't, you will need to go and sign up or create an account. Of course, you will have this option, or they will actually provide you three options to create an account. They will give you the Facebook option, the Google option, and the email option. Choose whatever suits you, and once you logged in into your account or created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home option of the Strava application, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And as we said, we would like to actually set the request to follow in the Strava application. So how can we do that? So of course, that's just an additional follow option, can be found in several places on the Strava mobile app. So of course, from your profile page, you can just go here and click at you at the bottom right corner. And then you can click at profile. And once you are here, once you are here, you'll have to click at this preference and privacy control. Make sure to click on it. And as you can see here, where you appear, additional controls and privacy help center. So normally you will find this here on where you appear. But if you didn't find this here, as you can see here, that means it's actually not possible yet in the Strava application. But you can actually change this profile page, like just your followers can see your profile page or everyone. I suggest you to do followers if you want to keep things private, and of course other stuff should be like just your followers or only you if you want to keep things private. Of course, if someone follows you and you don't want him to follow you, you can just go here to the followers and you can remove them from here, because the option of setting a request to follow is not available on the Strava yet. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.